I never planned to make rupees 1.8 lakh a month as a designer. I am just one person, no team, no agency, no office politics. I work remotely from India for a startup in Canada that collaborates with Microsoft, and I handle their entire creative direction alone using Canva and AI. Someone recently told me at rupees 1.8 lakh a month, you are technically in India's top 1% of earners. Honestly, that shocked me too because I am not an engineer, I am not in finance, I am a designer sitting at home on my own soil doing work I actually enjoy. And on top of my salary, I freelance, so the number goes even higher. So, by the end of this video, you will know the exact path, the exact tools, and the exact mindset that made this possible. So, my name is LAKH and I am the only designer at a Microsoft collaborated startup based in Canada, and I work for them fully remotely from India. There is no creative team, no art, no junior, just me. I handle everything creative direction, strategy, and execution, all of it. I handled everything videos and voiceovers, presentations, social media creatives, sales collaterals, event booth designs and printables, brochures, PDFs, logos, brand guides, brand kits built inside Canva and design systems built inside Claude Design. Transcriptions, translations, and the list is going on. One person, one toolkit, and everything delivered consistently, on time, at a global standard. The only reason that's possible without losing my mind is because of how I use Canva and AI together. And then, after my work hours, I take on freelance clients, my own projects, my own terms. That's where the income stacks even further. This channel Layered is about exactly that building income in layers, one smart layer at a time. Let me be completely transparent because honesty is what's missing from most how earned videos. My fixed monthly salary from my full time remote role is 1.8 lakh. That is my foundation. Stable, consistent, something I can rely on every single month. Now, here's what makes that number interesting in context. The average salaried professional in India earns somewhere between 55,000 to 75,000 a month. I am earning more than double that. As a designer, not an engineer, not a data scientist, a designer. 2 years ago, I was earning a fraction of this number. I wasn't special. I didn't have connections. I had a laptop, Canva, and a decision to target global companies instead of local ones. And that one decision changed everything. And I do all of this from home in India, close to my family, like zero commute, earning at a global rate while living at an Indian cost of living. That gap between what you earn and what you spend is where real financial freedom begins. Then my freelance income adds on top. Some months a little, some months a lot. Together, that's the full picture. And here's where I am going to say something most creators won't. Because everyone shows you the destination, nobody shows you the actual road. So, if the pay is less than you want, even if it feels small, take it. Stay for at least a year. Learn how real clients think, how deadlines feel, how brands make decisions that practical experience cannot be bought or skipped. Step 2. While you are employed, build on the side. So 2 hours a day, that's all. Work on your portfolio, show up on LinkedIn, post your work, even when it feels incomplete. Let people see that you exist and that you are getting better. Step 3. Target global companies intentionally. Most designers in India only look locally. That's the gap nobody talks about. Companies in Canada, the US, the UK, they need good designers. They pay in dollars and they are active looking for remote talent right now. Go where the demand is. And step 4, don't freelance from desperation. Build your credibility first, let your work do the talking, the best client find you, they don't get cold messaged by you. Focus on being discoverable before you focus on being available. Step 5, stay in your job until your freelance is consistent. When the freelance income becomes reliable, that's your signal. Not before security gives you the confidence to do better work for everyone. And through all of this, take care of yourself, take care of your family, rest, enjoy your life. A sustainable system built slowly will always beat a frantic sprint that burns out in 6 months. So, now let's talk about why this specific skill combination, Canva plus AI, is the biggest opportunities for the designers right now. Companies are moving to Canva fast. They don't want to wait 2 weeks for a traditional design workflow. They need design fast. They need things fast, aligned to their brand and ready to publish today. Not every brand needs an over designed, complex masterpiece. Most of them just need clean, minimal, consistent visuals delivered reliably every week. That is exactly what I deliver. And because AI handles the creative ideation, copywriting, image generation, and even parts of the brief, I can produce what a full creative team would produce alone as one person. That's not just a freelancer. That's a one person creative department. And in 2026, that person is valuable in a way that's very hard to replace. Let me make this concrete. Here's what I actually deliver for my company and for freelance clients. This brand kit built in one afternoon. This 20 slides presentation under 3 hours. AI wrote the structures, Canva built the design, client approved it in the first round. This full social media pack one morning and done. As a solo designer, handling creative direction, AI is essentially my thinking partner. It challenges my briefs, generate directions I can react to, refine ideas faster than any back and forth with a team. I make the final calls. AI makes me faster and sharper. That's the real unlock. Not working harder, working smarter with the right tools. So, here is everything I use every single month. No fluff, no sponsorship pushing. So, Canva Pro, the core of everything, every deliverable lives here, worth every rupee. ChatGPT or Claude for briefs, presentation structures, captions, scripts, and client communication. AI writes the first draft, I refine it and make it mine. And Adobe Firefly and Midjourney for custom AI generated visuals when stock images don't do the job. Notion for organizing everything, project freelance pipelines, client notes, deadlines, total monthly tool cost roughly around 3,000 to 5,000 rupees. Monthly income from my salary alone rupees 1.8 lakh, freelance on top of that. And if you are starting from zero, start with just Canva Pro. Free trial, cart pressures, master at one tool first, everything else layers on the top. Once you're earning, that's the honest starting point. So, how do you actually start building this? Whether you're a student, a fresher, or already working somewhere, the path is the same. If you have a job right now, keep it. Start building your freelance presence on the side. 2 hours a day, portfolio first, LinkedIn visibility second, and first client is a third. If you are a student or fresher, do 2 or 3 projects for free or very cheap just to build proof, real proof, then raise your rates with confidence. Either way, the formula doesn't change. Get genuinely good at Canva, layer in AI tools, build visible work online, target global companies, land one client, deliver brilliantly, and get referred. Repeat. You don't need to be the most talented designer in the room. You need to be the most reliable, the fastest, and the most AI enabled. That combination in 2026 always win. So talent gets you noticed and systems keeps you paid. So I earn rupees 1.8 lakh a month as a solo designer sitting in India working remotely for a Microsoft collaborated startup in Canada, and I freelance on top of that. I didn't plan for it to look like this. I just keep building layer by layer. And that's what this channel is. Real systems, real tools, real numbers, no fluff, no overnight promises. If this was useful, hit like, drop a comment telling me which part hit closest to home, and I read every single one. And if you want to know exactly how I landed my first global client, the exact message I sent, the exact platform I used, and what made them say yes, that's the next video. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you there.